Leading the parade is Academy Under Officer Prince Raj. He is followed by a contingent of battalion appointments led by Battalion Under Officer Sahil. Behind them is the first contingent, the champion company of the previous term, proudly led by Senior Under Officer Anurag Chauhan. The second contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Shivansh. The third contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Sanjay Singh. The Nishan Toli, proudly carrying the Indian Military Academy colors, is being led by Senior Under Officer Ayush Dubey. And the escorts are Company Sergeant Major Nikul Singh and Company Sergeant Major Aman Verma. The fourth contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Lakshay Thakur. The fifth contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Akshit Katoch. The sixth contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Amandeep Singh. Leading the last contingent is Senior Under Officer Tejas Bhatt. Bringing up the rear of the parade is Academy Cadet Adjutant Vishal Kumar, marching all by himself. At the end, mounted on his charger, is the adjutant of the Indian Military Academy, Lieutenant Colonel Raghav Swarup Gupta.
Across the right shoulder of Senior Under Officer Sanjay Singh of Imphal Company to enable him to receive the Chief of Army Staff banner.
Winner of the Sword of Honor and the Gold Medal, Academy Cadet Adjutant Vishal Kumar. Winner of the Silver Medal, Academy Under Officer Prince Raj. Winner of the bronze medal, Senior Under Officer Tejas Bhatt. Winner of the Technical Entry Scheme Silver Medal, Wing Cadet Captain Karan Pandey. Winner of the Technical Graduate Course Silver Medal, Officer Cadet Rishabh Mishra. Winner of the Special Commissioned Officers Silver Medal, Officer Cadet Bodhraj Thapa. Winner of the medal for the Best Officer Cadet from friendly foreign countries, Junior Under Officer Zav Sadid Alvi from Bangladesh. Winner of the Chief of Army Staff banner, Imphal Company.
This academy stands as a shining symbol of honor, courage, and selfless service to the nation. Many extraordinary military leaders who have defended our frontiers and upheld the dignity of India under the most challenging circumstances have passed out from this academy. I take this opportunity to appreciate everyone associated with this prestigious institution in the past and present. It gives me pleasure to see before me the officer cadets who would shortly embark on their journey. Their courage and wisdom will be their strengths. I am especially delighted to see 9 women cadets. This is watershed moment in the history of IMA. It is not only a milestone in the history of India's defense forces, but also an inspiring example of India's march towards women-led development. I am sure that many more women cadets will join the academy. I congratulate all officer cadets for their successful completion of one of the most rigorous training programs in the country. I also congratulate your proud family members who have contributed to your achievements. I appreciate the Commandant, instructors, and staff of the Indian Military Academy for their tireless efforts in guiding the officer cadets. I convey my hearty congratulations and best wishes to the cadets from the friendly foreign countries on passing out from the IMA.